Okay, so this is where we are so far. We come down here, you can see we've done the door section in now. Just got to put the bit on the top. So what we're going to do now is line that one out, line this side out, and then we'll start putting in the roof ones and get the other three lights up, I should say. But yeah, it's nice. That's worked very well. That, if you look, we've actually put it in line with the original, this kind of annex thing, if you like, with this little work area. It's all nicely in line with it, which is good. You just need to make something for the top there. As I say, we'll put a sliding interior door on it with a bit of perspex in it. So just line all this out. We in this side here, we've done double thickness of insulation because that's on the wind side and it's exposed. On this side we've only gone with a single layer because obviously you've got this kind of little work area in here which is already insulated, so there's no point in having doubled it in there. But yeah, we need a couple more frames, but we're pretty much there. So onwards and upwards. So this is where we're up to. That's up to the end there, not quite finished off, and there's the two lights at the top. And we've got to finish up this side, but we've got three lights up. Unfortunately, for some reason, why, I've got one with a black edge and the other ones with white, but we'll paint it white anyway, but no problem. But we have to show you the flash. My neighbour is a tech guru, isn't he, Martin? Yes. He actually works for ORF, which is the equivalent of the BBC in Austria, and he's telecommunications. Well, he's a manager for the infrared signals and shit, so he knows how to work phones. And in fact, he's just done my new iPhone because I had no idea. I could do step 1 and 2. So step 1 with my new iPhone was to charge it, and the second one was to put the SIM card in. So that was about it. So this is the logo. Oh, you have to do, yeah. No, cancel. Oh shit, it's wrong. That thumb. Okay, and there's the AWOC. So if you look here, you can see we've only got 3 on it at the moment. But if you look up there, you'll see I can turn them on and off. But I'll try and do it at the same time. So that's off. Oh, hang on a sec. Yeah, there you go. And then back on again. Oh, Jesus. How do you do that again? This is good. Just white light, isn't it?
Brightness.
No, hang on. So you go on. Is that it? You have to press 1, do you? How do you do it? Press 1?
Garage 2,
oh, yeah. That's garage 2, that's all right. Yeah. So this is garage, that's the first one. Garage 1, do we want? How do you do it again? Cancel the bottom thing, the bottom, cancel it. How do you do it again?
Garage 1. What?
No.
Or we go garage 2 brightness.
Yeah.
No,
go back, go X, go cross.
No, garage 1.
Oh, you have to press it first, do you? Have to. No, there you go, yeah.
This is garage 2 and 3. Like, okay.
Yeah, done.
Garage 1, off.
Right.
Off.
Off.
Yeah, no, and
on again. On again.
Yeah.
And they go straight automatically white light.
Yeah.
Oh, what a fucking rigmarole, honestly, Jesus, high-tech bollocks. But I suppose, like I just said to Amir, it's better to have this than a remote where the batteries are going to get cold down here and what have you. But there we are. So tomorrow we need some more lumber, don't we? We need some more timber for the back, 3 more pieces.
Yeah, 3 more.
And then and then we carry on, and I'll get this heating stuff tomorrow. But we've been thinking about this heating. We should theoretically be able to use it for winter and summer, because we could put the heating on during the winter, hot air, and then use a fan to maybe blow colder air in the summertime. We'll see. But anyway, that's where we are, guys. So again, a little short one. This is day 4. So pretty good. I mean, you know, bottom line is we'll be pissing around with this for the next few months, probably painting and doing whatever. But so far, so good. So as usual, stay safe, keep the faith, enjoy your hobby, and don't buy anything high tech. It's a pain in the arse.